Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, ribbon of various sizes and styles and colors. This one is going to be really fun, so just go with whatever sizes and colors you prefer. I intentionally went with different widths because I wanted it to look really fun and cute. But I also have done this ribbon wreath with only 2-inch ribbon, so you can do that as well. It just depends on what look you're going for. Chanel stems and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So I've cut my stems into thirds, and what I'm going to do is place them on my ring. I'm going to work with the 2 center rings, and I'm going to just alternate outer, inner, outer, outer, inner, outer, all the way around my ring. I like to go with a third of a stem, but you can definitely go with half of a stem if you want a little more stem to work with. Or if you know you're going to add a ton of ribbon. Alright, I'm going to get all of them placed, and then we'll start adding our ribbon. Alright, so I've cut all of my ribbon into 8-inch long pieces. Again, I have different textures, different styles, different sizes. And I think it's just going to make for a really fun and whimsical wreath. Alright, so since I have so many different types and styles and colors, I'm just going to grab a few, place them, and go from there. I just make sure I'm crisscrossing all of them so that all colors are visible. That looks pretty good to me. I'm just going to scrunch it in the center, find my stem, place my bundle, and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. Just flare it and fan it out a little bit. So cute. Alright, I'm going to make more bundles. And I'm going to try and switch up the order of my bundles and add in like different colors and textures. So you see that gives a completely different look. I'll even add a green in here. Flare it out once again. Just like that. And just continue on. And I'm not going to have every color in every bundle. Just going to mix it all up and have fun with it. Going to continue on all the way around my wreath. Looking so cute and precious already. Alright, I'm going to continue on and finish up the wreath. Alright, so I have all of my bundles in place. Now I'm just kind of flaring them out, fluffing them, adjusting and maneuvering them because I can do so better now that I have all of my bundles in place. And then just making sure I fill any gaps or spaces. I did go with 3 bundles in each section and 4 to 7 pieces of ribbon in each bundle. I think it looks so cute and fun. It's a mixture, and I think it's just so cute and whimsical. And you can go with whatever styles or colors you prefer. I just thought this color scheme would be so cute and precious. And you can go with 4 or 5 bundles in each section. You can go with 10, 15 pieces of ribbon in each bundle. Just modify it to fit your needs. If you want it thicker, poofier, fluffier, then go for it. The possibilities are endless. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. You can add an adorable sign to the center. You can add like some white pumpkins. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.